Module 8, Countries and Cultures. First exercise, look at the ideas below. Which of them do you think may be true? Which do you think are not true? Okay, these are, I think, the ideas. And you must answer these two questions. Which of them do you think may be true? Which do you think are not true? Pause and look at the ideas. Next, pause and look at these ideas. Great. Let's check it together. Just a myth. English people drink tea every day at 5 o'clock. It's false, only true if you are at home at that time. Next, B. Italian people eat pasta every day. True, at least in the speaker's family and region. Next, C. It's always cold in Moscow. False, it can be very hot in the summer, yeah? So it depends on where is it and who is speaking. I think this is from the listening part of the book, but unfortunately we can't listen. But anyways, we are giving our opinion, yeah? Next, all Spanish people enjoy bullfighting. D. False, perhaps true in the south, but most people aren't interested in bullfighting. E. Japanese people are very polite. True, they like to behave well in public. F. People in Argentina are crazy about football. True, football is a passion for them. G. People in the United States are very keen on fast food. False, they eat a whole range of different things. H. People in Australia have a lot of barbecues. True, because they always have good weather. I. You often see camels in Arab countries. True, in the desert. False, in the cities. Yeah, in the cities you can see camels. Next, J. Men in Scotland normally wear kilts. It's false. They only wear them for special occasions. Normally they wear trousers. Next, grammar. Look at the sentences and complete the rules. A. English people drink tea every day at 5 o'clock. B. Italian people eat pasta every day. Okay, now these are the rules, I guess. When we talk about people or things in general, we usually use the or no article. Which one? Yeah? Look at the sentence and complete the rules. We must choose the or no article. Next, with the names of people and countries, we usually use the article or no article. You can look at the examples, sentences, then choose correct option, the or no article. Yeah, these are the rules. Pause and do it. Now we can check it together. Yeah. When we talk about people or things in general, we usually use no article. For example, English people in general. Yeah, that is no article. Next, with the names of people and countries, we usually use no article. Yeah, names of people and countries. For example, Italian people. Names of people. Yeah, Italians. Countries. We do not use article. So we usually use no article. Next, which of the following phrases need an article? Here, these are the phrases. Which of them need an article? Pause and try to do it. Now let's check. At home, at night, at the top, at the top, in the afternoon, in the south, in the world. Next, on holiday, on the left, on the coast. Next, practice. Work in pairs. Make general statements about people in your society using the ideas below. Use a phrase from B, C, and E. B, C, and E. We use them and make general statements about people in our society using the ideas below. These are the ideas. Next, use a phrase from B, C, E. We will use them. Add phrases from A and D if you want. And we can also add these phrases here. Example, most Spanish people don't drink tea. Spanish people, men, women, young, old people, small children. Here you can see these expressions. Many, most, here, don't like, love, hate, don't, drink, eat, make, are frightened of, are good at. These are the phrases that you can use in your general statements, in your sentences. Tea, coffee, water, pasta, fast food, ice cream, rap, classical music, spider, rats, sports, big, wonderful, a lot of. So most Spanish people don't drink tea. Yeah, don't drink tea. Next, looking at this example, looking at these words, make 5 sentences. Pause and do it. Finished. Next, complete the gaps with the where necessary. Then mark the sentences true or false. Okay, here you must complete the gaps. For example, Asia is bigger than Europe. Okay, we don't need anything here. Next, second, New York is the biggest city in the world. So we don't need here anything. We will use the article here. Is the biggest city in the world. Here also the. Yeah. Did you understand how to do it? You must write where necessary article the. See? First, no article, no article. Here, second, no article, then the biggest, then in the world, the world. Pause and do the rest of the exercise. Write it in your copybook. Now let's check it. Third, Mount Fuji is in Japan. It's the highest mountain in the world. Next, 4. The Queen of England lives in Downing Street. 5. The Mediterranean Sea is bigger than the Pacific Ocean. 6. The sun is smaller than the moon. 7. The Himalayas are in Asia. 8. You can always see the moon in the sky at night. 9. The Mississippi River is in the United States. Great. Next, exercise 3. Complete the sentences about yourself on a piece of paper using the ideas in brackets. Okay, you must make a sentence under one paragraph about yourself. Include articles where necessary. Write your name on the paper. For example, I live in Shymkent. It's in the south of Kazakhstan, and so on. Yeah. Pause and make one paragraph about yourself. Great. Next. Language focus 2. Quantifiers and countable and uncountable nouns. We will use countable and uncountable nouns under quantifiers with the nouns. Yeah, with nouns. Next, exercise 1. Do you live in a town or city? Pause and answer this question. Which other cities have you visited? Pause and answer. Which do you think is the world's best city and why? Pause and answer this question. In your answers, please use only English words. Yeah? Speak only in English. Next, read the extract from a website about the world's best city. Okay, this is the extract, I guess, written from Stuart about the world's best city. Pause and read it. Great. Stuart has lived and worked in Zurich for several years. Listen to him about life in the city. Oh, unfortunately, we can't listen here. Here, track number 8.4, track number 8.3. We can't listen it, unfortunately. Next, grammar. Look at the list of nouns in exercise 3 above. Okay, these are the nouns. Pause and read these nouns. Which are countable and which are uncountable. Skyscraper is an example of a countable noun. It has a singular and a plural form. Traffic is an example of an uncountable noun. It has no plural form. See? Pause and find out which are countable, which are uncountable nouns. Answer: banks, countable; hotels, countable; museums, countable; nightlife, uncountable; pollution, uncountable; restaurants, countable; scenery, uncountable; shops, countable because we can count here; skyscrapers, countable; traffic, uncountable; traffic uncountable because we can't count it; skyscrapers, we can count it, that's why it is countable. For example, 1 skyscraper, 2 skyscrapers, 3 skyscrapers, many skyscrapers. You see, traffic we can count, that's why it is uncountable. You see the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? Great. If not, try to watch this video again, so I guess you will understand it. Next, look at the pairs of sentences below. These are the pairs of sentences. Tick the pairs where the meaning is the same and put a cross next to the pairs where the meaning is different. Okay, so you must tick if these two sentences same, yeah, meaning is same, but if the meaning is different, put the cross mark. Pause and do this exercise. Did you do it? Great. Now I guess it's time to check it. We put it here cross because A in the first sentence means 1 and some in the second sentence means an indefinite number of. B, the meaning is same. Next, C, we put here cross. A few in the first sentence means a small number of. A lot of in the second sentence means a large number of. Next, D, we put here cross also because a lot of in the first sentence means a large amount of. Then too much in the second sentence means more than enough. Yeah. Next, E, we put here cross. Many in the first sentence means that there are a few porks, and any in the second sentence means that there are no porks at all. You see the difference? Great. Next practice, we'll do it later in this next video. See you. Goodbye.